Compare multiple column value together using pandas. I know I can do like below if we are checking only two columns together. Where df is a data frame, and a_id and b_id are two columns of the data frame, it will return true or false value based on the match. But I need to compare multiple columns together. For example, if there are a_id, a_region, a_ip, b_id, b_region and b_ip columns, I want to compare like below. Somehow the above code is always returning false value. The output should be like below. First row flag will be true because there is a match. A_key becomes 2a10. This is match with last row of b_key, 2a10.
You were going in the right direction, just use. Mine is giving below results.
You can use eSheen with dataframe as value, but as per the docs. If values is a dataframe, then both the index and column labels must match. So this should work.
Here's one approach using dataframe.merge, pandas.concat and testing for duplicated values. Out.
Oops.